Well, stocks fell today for the sixth straight session. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the New York Stock Exchange, including, Deborah, some late-breaking news.
Yeah, some late-breaking news on Texas Instruments, and this certainly cannot help sentiment. Texas Instruments kind of gave us an updated second quarter sales and profit forecast, falling short of estimates because of sluggish demand for computer and phone chips. And of course, we care so much about Texas Instruments because their chips are used in a broad range of things like electronics and also even book e-readers. So certainly something that we've been talking about, this slowdown in the economy. It's one of the reasons that the market has been down now for 6 days in a row. This is our longest losing streak since February of 2009. And once again, we saw that concern today. Another area of the market that we were really looking at, and that was Visa and MasterCard and many of the banks. They were sharply lower. And here's the story why. Of course, every time you use your debit card, your bank charges merchants 44 cents a swipe. Well, today the Senate voted to reject that 6-month delay. So those swipe fees will go down to 12 cents starting next month. And currently, banks and credit card companies actually earn $16 billion a year from those fees. So as you can imagine, Julie, that could mean a lot of lost revenue for many of the banks and credit card companies.
Now, Deborah, when you pull back and look at the big slowdown that we have seen, how concerned are traders you're talking to down there about this?
Well, you know, Julie, a lot of traders saying, you know, we're not in a panic stage yet, but there is a lot of fear in this market because we have certainly hit a soft patch. And of course, we've had this string of bad economic data. And of course, hearing from Texas Instruments, where you really haven't heard this from companies, but this could be an indication that it's now really kind of hitting companies because consumer spending is really kind of slowing down. Of course, the Beige Book saying today that while the economy expanded at a steady pace, 4 out of the 12 regions, consumer kind of did see a slowdown because consumers are contending with higher food and fuel prices. That's it from here, Julie. Now back to you.
Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange, thanks so much.